The Indian Army on Monday came out with a fresh set of instructions for the soldiers who have completed their leaves, temporary duties and courses and are required to rejoin their units on priority. According to the instructions, the top priority bracket includes soldiers whose units or duty stations are within 500 kilometers by private transport from their place of leave, all ranks of operationally critical Northern Command, and personnel belonging to Army Medical Corps, Army Dental Corps, and Military's Nursing Service who are at the forefront of the fight against coronavirus disease. Union Home Minister Amit Shah called up Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Monday to inquire about the lynching of 3 people in Palghar last week. The 3 men from Kandivali in Mumbai were heading towards Gujarat, Surat in a car to attend a funeral late on April 16th. Their vehicles were stopped in Palghar district and men were dragged out of the car and beaten to death on suspicion that they were thieves. With the centre taking strong objection to certain relaxations by the Kerala government in the COVID-19 lockdown guidelines, the Kerala government on Monday decided not to allow plying of buses in cities, opening of restaurants and pillion riding on two-wheelers. Fugitive businessman Vijay Mallya on Monday lost his appeal in the UK High Court against the 2018 order to extradite him to India to face charges of financial irregularities. Mallya is wanted in India to face charges of financial offences amounting to rupees 9,000 crores borrowed by his now defunct Kingfisher Airlines from several Indian banks. The case will now go to Home Secretary Priti Patel for a final decision on his extradition. In another distressing incident, a mob of around 200 local forced a quarantine team to retreat and also damaged barricades, not permitting them to take around 58 people who had come in contact with 3 COVID-19 infected patients. At least 54 persons have been arrested so far. An FIR has been filed that mentions charges of assault and attempt to murder. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath says that he will not take part in the last rites of his father tomorrow to ensure enforcement of lockdown and to defeat coronavirus pandemic in the state. Adityanath's father, Anand Bish, died at AIIMS, Delhi, where he was admitted at the gastroenterology department.